Getting back to the camera's parameters. As I told you, the light in the camera has to be adjusted and being, regarding the white balance, balanced with the light source we use. So now the cameras, the video cameras, we'll see the movie now, are balanced on 3200 kelvins, which are these lights here. I just add another light here in this lighting scheme, which is LED light. This is a tungsten light. It has incandescent light in it, and this is a LED light, which his main feature is you can change the white balance of the light by turning a knob left or right. So, as you can see now, sorry, that's the intensity. So now it's more obvious the meaning of the white balance. This is a daylight source and this is a tungsten source. The difference on Kelvin values is this one is 5600 and this one is 3200. So when we shoot outside or when we shoot on the mixed lighting environment, like in shops or whatever, malls or inside warehouses, we can have an ambient light which is a totally different color temperature than the camera, or we have a mixed version of lights with daylights or tungsten lights all together. In this case, we need to choose which balance we're going to put the camera on. Sometimes the easier way is just to the automatically white balance. The camera is adjusting something in between daylight and tungsten. But sometimes we want to enhance a different kind of effect, like dimming down this light here. That's all we can do. Will make even a bigger difference between the key light, which is balanced with the cameras, and fill light, which is bluish. Yeah, I will try to make also a photograph here. First, I will balance the camera on 3200. And then on daylight. And then on ultra white balance. You're gonna see the differences on the pictures, of course. So now, the main feature of the LED lights is this. We can adjust the color temperature of the light by turning that knob I showed you before, which is this one. Yeah, so from tungsten to daylight. And also we can see this on how the LED are placed in the, we have this diffuser to make a softer light out of this LED light. So usually the LED without the diffuser, it's kind of a hard light, as you can see it. With the diffuser, this feeling of the hard light is changed to soft light. And of course, we need more intensity. If you want to make it even softer, we need a diffuser, an extra diffuser. I will show you what that means. So as you can see, this is kind of a hard light lighting scheme. I will make another picture of it to make it more clearly. And if you want to make it even softer, we have a diffuser here, which is a frame with a diffusion. And now you can see how soft the shadow is on the portrait. So without it and with. If we bring this close to the character, the shadow gets softer. You see? This is one of the softest shadow. I'm getting further away. The shadow it's harder. Anyway. Okay. So this is kind of explaining the definition of a soft light versus hard light. The hard light is a pointing light which has a very soft surface of emitting light, and soft light is a source which has a surface which define this ratio of hard light or soft light. So this is in a way an example of how the distance and the surface of the light it's affecting the shadow. As close as we can, we get to the model, the shadow gets softer or harder. Yeah.